bringing it can mean so many different things, right? It can just mean delivering a demand letter, sending it by mail, bringing to the insurance company everything that comes together in a package to make a demand. The medical records, the accident reports, video snippets from people's lives. We can bring that to the insurance company and they may settle your case. Or if you need it, like at school when two kids would rip their shirts off and say, "Bring it, man.
I'm gonna bring it, dude."
If we need that, then, we can do that too.
You can.
And so, bring it has a lot of connotations. And just like our practice of law does, we have to know when to bring it hard and when to bring it soft. And that's all an art. And I think we're particularly good at that.
Yeah, because sometimes really diplomacy is as effective as being aggressive. And sometimes, the old saying, sugar gets you farther than the stick, or whatever the old saying is. Sometimes that's actually true, and you really have to be able to judge who you're dealing with on the other side and what they're going to respond to. And sometimes insurance company, sometimes they need the stick.
Yeah.
And if they need that type of representation, we'll bring that too.
That's right. We've been doing this long enough that we even build up relationships with adjusters. And there are some adjusters that we know we can just pick up the phone and say, "Hey, look, here's the kind of case I got right here. And, this is a case that screams policy limits." And we know most of the time that adjuster is going to say, "Yeah, I can get you the policy limits." We also know that there are particular adjusters that we know we're going to have to bow up to. We know we're going to have to be aggressive with. And that's part of what we do.
That's a part of our job that really gives me and I think you a lot of satisfaction is when you are really up against somebody who is not doing the right thing for the client and you really have to fight for them and really bring it. That's something that gives me a great deal of happiness in doing my job, because at the end, I know that we've had to fight really hard for the client, and it's worth it to do it for the clients when you can see their lives improve at the end of the case.